They say I'm stinking. I'm a farmer now, so to make them money. I don't know what to say, but they say I'm dirty. The city people think I'm crazy, cause I'm hustling in dating. But they don't know that the city is for everybody. I'm gonna go right there, pick up my life and hustle.
No. I'll go back. So if I didn't stop you, you will hug me with... Just look at your body. You want to hug me?
As I'm look me finish, say I'm dirty. You see, I know if you enter in car because I go infect in car with dirt. Udo can look me finish. Udo can say I am dirty like Ezibida.
Can you imagine this idiot?
Give this idiot that has wide nose and big head and money so this idiot can go.
Hey! Can control life.
God, thank you.
I want this money, and I want to jolly to make this hustle pay. I'm gonna go right there, pick up a life.
I'll cross that bridge. I'll go that city. I'm not to make her for that city. I'll go that city.
Let her go anyhow. We say how. Anyhow, we say how.
Anyway, I'm leaving. Don't worry.
Oh God, please now.
You don't to bless my life. I know if you leave me, may you go die there like how.
Nobody can kill me.
Okay, that's why everybody always talk until they die.
If I drop down from this place, I will destroy you. Even before you came to city, you've already made it. You don't know where people will make this place. Your time in this house is numbered.
You've not heard that they steal pants in the city to use and make money.
Yeah. Everything I do, Nana. I don't clean up my mouth.
Better go clean it too.
You see that my uncle in there, I don't spit and come out.
Uzoma, you called me a ritualist.
I say, please, nobody should kill me.
Yeah.
I'm going to use my left hand on my left leg, use my brain. They can do money. I don't want to die. Nobody go use my mouth. I'll come be dumb and not fit.
A good heart is good.
Oh, sir. I dey worry for you. Oh, my spirit don't dey low. I dey worry for you because you stress yourself too much. As I reach here now, I see the glass just dey full. You know, attend to am. You know, drink am. It dey pain me. Now I can't drink am.
So many people in the prison are guilty of something they know nothing about.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.